Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Empower Multimedia. Today we're going to be talking about how to make money with no money off of LetGo. Now, LetGo is basically a platform or app that's very similar to Craigslist and OfferUp, where you can basically sell or buy secondhand or novelty items. Now, on this website, I'm going to be showing you on this video basically similar things that I showed you on the OfferUp and Craigslist video, where you want to take the approach of basically flipping or restoring and flipping free items. So on here I'm on LetGo, and I basically made the max $1. You want to look for ideally free stuff. Now granted, be careful because sometimes they might put free and it's kind of like a hook to get you to go out there and actually buy something. So message them first saying like, hey, is this actually free? And usually it'll let you know, like they'll be pretty blunt about it, like, hey, it's free, just pick it up. And the reason why people are doing this is because A, they are probably moving and they kind of have everything they wanted, and this is just like stuff they don't want and they want to just get rid of it. Or B, they just truly don't want it anymore. So the way I typically see people doing this is they want to get either like free furniture like couches, sofas, things like that, or like desks, drawers, wooden material where you can fix up and flip. Now granted, you're going to see some like services here, but you ideally want to look for something that you think people would sell for. And the great thing about this is, since you have basically no overhead because these are all free, even if you sell this for like $60, $70, $80, it's still all profit. Now, the best way to do this, in my opinion, is if you ideally already have a large vehicle, like whether it's a pickup truck or a U-Haul for whatever reason, then you're very golden. If not, you can always rent one, but if you were to rent one, it sounds like it would make more sense that you hit a lot of different places so you can make the most out of that U-Haul. And with that being said, then I think this is a great way for you to kind of like flip some items that people don't want no more, that people don't want anymore, and make some money off of it. I know some people that make $3,000 off of this, $5,000, $10,000, $15,000, depending on how dedicated they are with this. But LetGo is another great website where you can literally just flip things that people don't care about and make some money out of it. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like, please like, comment, and subscribe. See you.